Hello viewers, I still remember my humble self, Master Obi Ezazuju Chinedu. Today I want to teach on changing from percentage to what? Fraction. Now, when we look at the first example, it says express 12 or number 1 over 2% as what? A fraction. Now we need to change the mixed fraction to an improper word fraction. Now to change 12 or number 1 over 2 is going to be what? 2 times 12 will give us 24 plus 1 will give us what? 25 over what? 2. Remember the percentage. Now to change the percentage, we are going to have 25 over 2 divide 100 over what? 1. Now to change the division sign, we are going to have 25 over 2. To change the division sign to multiplication sign, the denominator becomes the numerator, while the numerator becomes the word denominator, meaning that is going to be what? 1 over what? 100. Now 25 into 25 is 1. 25 into 100 is what? 4. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. So our answer is what? 1 over what? 8. Now the second example says express 85% as what? A fraction. Now 85% as a fraction is something as what? 85 divide what? 100. 85 divide what? 100. Remember that any one number is divided by what? 1. To change the division sign, we are going to have 85 over 1 times 1 over what? 100. Now what is going to divide 85 and divide what? 100? 5 will be able to divide. Now 5 into 8 is 1. Remainder what? Remainder 3. 5 into 35 is what? 7. Meaning that 5 divided 85 will have what? 17. 5 into 100 will have what? 20. So our answer is what? 17 over what? 20 as your what? Answer. Now the third example says 2 or number 1 over 2% as what? A fraction. So we need to change the mixed fraction to what? An improper what? Fraction. Now to change it, we are going to have what? 2 times 2 is what? 1 plus 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus 1 5. So we have 5 over 2%. Now to change 5 over 2% to fraction, we are going to have 5 over 2 times divide 100 over what? 1. So we have 5 over 2 times 1 over what? 100, because the denominator becomes the numerator, while the numerator becomes the what? The denominator. So what is going to divide? 5 here, 1. 5 into 100 is what? 20. Now 1 times 1 is what? 1. All over 2 times 20 is what? 40. So our answer is what? 1 over what? 40. Now for the fourth example, we have express 28% as what? A fraction. Now 28% as a fraction is what? We have 28 divide what? 100. Now we have any number, whole number is divided by what? 1. So we have 28 over 1 times 1 over what? 100. Now what is going to divide between 28 and what? 100? 4 is going to divide. 4 into 28 is what? 7. 4 into 100 is what? 25. So 7 times 1 will have what? 7. 1 times 25 we have what? 25. So your answer is what? 7 over what? 25. Thank you for listening. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Masterbyte Educational Solution. Thank you very much.